Looking for the most satisfying, tactile switch to elevate your typing or gaming setup? Holy Panda switches deliver a unique feel that's hard to match. With a name like Holy Panda, expectations are high, and these switches don't disappoint. Combining the best parts of Halo and Invyr Panda switches, they offer a snappy, tactile response that keeps your fingers engaged from the first press to the bottom out. What sets Holy Panda switches apart is their hybrid design. They use Halo switch stems paired with the housing from Invyr Panda switches, resulting in a tactile bump that's both sharp and smooth. The 67-gram spring weight strikes a perfect balance, firm enough for feedback but not tiring over long sessions. Plus, the polycarbonate top housing and nylon bottom housing add durability and a crisp sound profile that's satisfying without being noisy. This design is why many enthusiasts call Holy Pandas the gold standard for tactile switches. Compatibility won't hold you back either. These switches fit plate-mounted cherry-style PCBs and work seamlessly with popular hot swap kits like the Drop-Alt, Control, Shift, ENTR, Carina, Plank, and Prionic. Whether you're customizing your first build or upgrading your current keyboard, Holy Pandas slide right in, no soldering required. They're also MX compatible, supporting both SMD and through-hole LEDs, so you don't have to compromise on lighting effects. From personal experience and countless reviews, Holy Panda switches stand out for their consistent tactile feedback throughout the key press. Unlike some switches where the bump is only noticeable at the start, Holy Pandas maintain that satisfying resistance all the way down. Many users praise them for feeling better than other tactile options like Glorious Panda or Texy Purple Panda, even without lubrication. That means you get a premium typing experience straight out of the box. If you value precision and a tactile feel that doesn't fade as you type, Holy Panda switches are worth a look. They offer a clear upgrade for anyone who wants more control and satisfaction from every keystroke. Of course, if budget is a concern, there are other great tactile switches out there, but for those ready to invest in quality, these switches deliver on every promise. Ready to transform your keyboard? Holy Panda switches bring together the best of both worlds: exceptional tactile feedback, durable build quality, and broad compatibility. If that's you, consider trying them out on your next build or upgrade. Experience firsthand what makes Holy Pandas a favorite among keyboard enthusiasts and why they continue to set the standard for tactile switches.